Hi friends, today I will show how to make spinach sambar in a raw natural form without heating. So we retain the rich minerals of spinach, eating the produce naturally as provided by Mother Nature. My channel focuses on healthy foods. So what we will do initially is take 1/3 cup of cashews, drop them into the high speed blender, and also we will take some water. In this case I am taking 1 cup of water. I am thinking this should be sufficient. If necessary I may add another half a cup, but let's see how it goes. I think it will require half a cup more, and let me pour half a cup more. Yes, this should be fine. And then to this I will add about half a spoon of salt. In this case I am using sea salt, but you can use any salt that you are comfortable with. Sea salt is supposed to be more healthy, and that's why I will prefer the sea salt. Let me get a spoon first, and then I will add a little more than half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Usually the standard is salt and chili powder, they go in equal quantities, but I prefer it a little hot, so I have added that. And then I have taken 1 teaspoon of sambar powder. That will be a decent heaped spoon of sambar powder, and I am adding spinach. These are 2 small bundles, roughly I would say 1.5 cups of spinach, and also we will be adding curry leaves. Curry leaves will hopefully give a very good flavor, and also some coconut oil. I am adding coconut oil so that it adds to the nutrition of the dish that we are making, not necessarily for taste alone but for nutrition. And now I am lightly stirring it. The reason I am stirring this is the chia seeds which are in the water, they can get crumbled up, and then they won't mix well if you leave it in water for quite some time. I am going to cut some mangoes now, but then I have done this activity ahead of that. The reason is the cashews and the chia seeds will soak well so that they will grind well once it is done. And I am taking some mango. It is not a completely sour mango. This time of the season I couldn't get something that is completely raw and sour. This is beginning to become a fruit, so I know it will be a little sweet, and I am okay with it considering the season we are in. So I will chop these into rough pieces. I am not peeling the skin. Skin has some very good nutrients. I do not want to lose them, so I have left the peel on. The skin will be ground very nicely in a high speed blender. If you are not having a high speed blender, it is okay to use regular blender that you have at home also, but just make sure that you remove the skin in those cases, because otherwise the skin will leave small pieces and you may not like it when you are having your dish. So I'm just roughly chopping them. The blender will do most of the job. This is just a small preparation. That's about it, and we are done. Now we are going to blend them all together. So we will be dropping all of these mango pieces into the blender. So we'll now start the blender. I will start in a low speed and then go up to a high speed, and then I am going to see how warm it is getting. I will be running the blender for roughly 2 to 3 minutes, maybe 2 minutes at the minimum, so that the whole dish becomes warm and nice to eat. If you are enjoying the video, can you please click on the like button? So this is about done now. It's warm to touch. We don't want it to be very hot, because if it is hot, then it is losing the raw food benefits, the nutrients. The whole idea is to eat them raw. So anything that is less than 45 degrees to 50 degrees Celsius is considered to be raw without losing nutrients. So that's what our aim is. We don't want to make it hot. And now it is ready to be served. Nice, warm, natural sambar, a raw food sambar in the raw fashion. So we are not adding tamarind here, which is actually more of a herb. It's a medicine, really speaking, an Ayurvedic medicine, supposed to be used only once in a while to help digestion, not on a regular basis. But here I am using raw mango in this case. Let me see how does it taste. Wow, it's really very good. Honestly, it is very good. It is not just about being warm. I think that sambar powder made a good impact on the whole dish, and the little bit of chili powder that I added made it a little more spicy, which is how I want it. This is really awesome. Now I need to close this and have this immediately until before it becomes cold. Thank you for watching. So what is good about this? Why are we making? Can you believe sambar has a raw soup without heating? Spinach is rich in several minerals. It is a very healthy leaf. Curry leaves treat various kind of digestive issues from constipation to diarrhea. Cashews and coconut oils provide lots of healthy fats, and spices provide those kind of herbs which treat various kinds of diseases. So this is a very healthy soup indeed. And here are the ingredients I have used. Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also click on the notification bell.